I see, didn't either. Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. I was just going to do a review of some of the stuff that I've ordered. Like I can't even say Temu haul, Shein haul, TikTok haul, because I've ordered from several different places, so it's a haul of a majority or a mixed majority. I believe this came from Walmart. A stencil set. We're going to try it out and see how it works on rocks. I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. What is this? Ooh, what is this? Oh, okay. Been ordering stuff for a while, so I don't even remember what I ordered. Oh my gosh. Look. Elephant. Oh, love elephants. It's an elephant diamond painting. Look at that. I'll get to work on that with y'all. Yeah. Excited? Are you excited as I am? I don't think so. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Right here. These are from Temu, I think. This is one of those spinny things you hang up outside. Look, I just want to say, getting ready for spring, y'all. Yeah. I love decorating my yard in the spring. And this is also for Temu. It's like a sun catcher, and you hang it up. I think I'm gonna hang that in my kitchen window. I think that's a good place for it. What do you think? Ooh, I'm gonna take this one out. This is also from Temu. I'm surprised my baby's ain't attacking me, thinking I got something like a TREAT, you know? I'd be very discreet with that word. Oh, this is very nice. This is very nice. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Whoa, Nelly. That is gorgeous. Oh, just imagine when the sun catches that. Hope it don't blind nobody. Don't need nobody wrecking or nothing. I had to be cautious where I hang that. I don't know what that was. I just swung something in the floor. Oh yeah, I got some gloss finish. Like a sealant to go on the rocks. Okay, that's in that box. There is. Let's see here. I'm gonna open up one more, and then I'm going to. I don't want this video to go very long, and then I'll just start another one. I think what I should have done is probably pre-cut the boxes, but then, you know, open them up. Show it to you. This is the Walmart.com. Ooh. Got me some paints in. I'm getting ready. I'm getting excited. Harmony. I think that's so crazy. This size box for this little bitty thing. I ain't trying to save on nothing on it, especially not the packaging. I'm going to stop this one, and I'm going to start another one, and I hope you watch them both. I see Danila. Hello, everyone. This is part 2 of packages. This is from Walmart. Shipped USPS Postal Services. And very pleased with this. I just ordered this the other day. It came pretty daggone fast, which is good because I needed it. You know what I mean? You know me, Lord. Some fake eggs. My hens. I got to get them using the right nesting places for the eggs. I'll tell you. So we got to get some dummy eggs for my dummy chickens. This is from I think Temu. I think. Oh, there's all kind of stuff in here. Alright, let's see. That bag's empty. Ooh. Small box. Big surprise. Who knows? I don't know. I done forgot. Let's see. Wow. They sure did the same old packaging for that. They had plastic, and another plastic, and another plastic, and another plastic, and in the box. Save the trees, huh? Save the planet. But it is a cute. It is a cutie. Size 10. Let's see. I don't know if it'll fit me. Nope. Ain't gonna fit that finger. Ain't gonna fit that finger. Oh my Lord. The pumpkin. I guess for now, when I drink my tea, I'm gonna be like, you know. You wanna come say hi? No? Okay. Ooh. Got something else for the yard, y'all. Oh, I don't know. I might just hang that right here behind me. That's pretty, ain't it? My son said yes. That is gorgeous. I love that. That's so pretty. I'm so ready for spring. We have had some bad weather. It has went from storms and rain to ice. I mean ice. We didn't get snow. It was ice. All of us here in Huntsville, we were shut down for a whole week. A whole week. I mean, nobody was moving. Nobody was going nowhere. Ice. And then, well, believe it, it's back been raining. It's just, I know we need the rain to water the earth and stuff. I know that. You know what? I think I'm just going to cut that sucker. Oh, look at there. That was daggone easy. Now look, I don't know what this thing does. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do with it. Abracadabra.